Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical ArCoAn, myself Arnab Kundu. Today we will learn one of the most important concept in Python called logging. Okay, instead of using print function again and again, logging helps us to track what is happening in our code in a cleaner and more professional way. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's start. So friends, today we will discuss what is logging in Python, right? Logging means writing important program information like errors or warning so that later we can check what went wrong in our code, right? Print function is only used for testing, but logging is used in real applications and real world examples, right? So logging means tracking what your code is doing, especially useful when errors happen in real time. Okay, logging means recording important events that happen during program execution. Okay, in Python there are 5 logging levels. Number 1 is debug, number 2 is info, number 3 is warning, number 4 is error, and number 5 is critical. So debug meaning detailed internal information, info is normal messages, warning is something unexpected but not broken, error program failed to do something, and critical big failure like system crash, right? Now if we differentiate between print function and logging in Python, then we can differentiate in that way. For print function is concerned, only shows a message on screen, means in console, and logging is concerned, store messages in a file or future use. Okay, logging message can shown within a console and also store in a file, right? For print function is concerned, used only by developers while learning, but logging is concerned used in real software, means real application is concerned, right? Print function cannot record history, whereas logging can record complete program history as a log file is concerned, right? And we can say small testing programs means can use print function, for real applications should use logging, right? So now I just go in my Python ideally and I will write the example for logging is concerned, one example for logging message in a console, and one example logging into a file, right? So now I am just within the Python ideally, and here at first we write the code for logging message will show within the console, right? So at first we import the logging module, just write import logging, and then we just write in that way logging dot use a particular method basic config and send as argument level equal, and within single quote just write logging dot info. Actually at first we choose the level is info because we already know there are 5 logging levels are there in Python. One is the debug, another is info, warning, error, and critical. So here I am using the info. Actually for depending on situation we can choose correct logging level, right? So here I am just use the info, right? Here I set logging level to info. So what happened, the debug message will not shown in the console, okay, but rest of the message will show in the console, right? So for showing the message we write in that way, just write logging dot, at first we use debug, and send as argument, suppose for message is concerned, debug message. It not shown, why? Because we already choose the logging level is info, right? Because the severity or the level is more prior, the info is concerned, than the debug level. Okay, and then we just write logging dot info, and then just simply write programmed started, double quote, parenthesis close. Same way the another level, logging dot warning, and just send as an argument, suppose low battery, double quote, parenthesis close. Next level, logging dot error, and suppose write the message in that way, file not found. So this, for an example, we put the messages like that. And logging dot the last level, critical, and then send a message, suppose system crashed, system crashed. Okay, now we save the file, just go to file, save, and put the name, suppose log underscore ex. So automatically the extension is .py, press enter. So just see the file name is already given, log underscore ex.py. So level equal to this, we don't put this in a single quote, just put in that way, level equal to logging.info, don't need to put in a single quote, just save it again and again run, just press F5. Now just see what the output in the console, info is given, the message, warning is given, error is given, critical is given, but not given the debug, because the severity level for info is more, means priority is more. That's why the debug is less prior, so that's why the debug message is not given, because here I set the logging level to info. That's why what happened, the debug message will not appear in the console, but the rest of the message is shown in the console, right? This is the example of the logging message shown in the console. Now I write the another program where the logging message will store within a file, right? So in that case what happened, the most of the lines are okay, we just increase the argument here, more argument we are sending. One argument is info is okay. Now we are sending the another argument, just write here file name equal and put the path. Okay, now suppose we put the path here, means where we store our file, suppose e:// ml folder / and suppose put the file name is log underscore ex.txt, means in a text file is concerned. Okay, now the another argument is there, suppose we put here the format, means which format it will show, means which format it will store in the file. Just write that format equal and just write in that way within double quote %, and within parentheses just like ASC time. So this will actually shows the date and time of the log. Okay, then we put a hyphen and then again write, suppose write here level name, so it will store the severity like info, debug, warning, error or critical, and then we put again a hyphen and then the last we send here %, and then just write the message, means so actual log message will store within the file. Okay, and then just write, after that we end the double quote. Okay, and then we just close this parenthesis. Okay, now the rest of the thing is okay, and now we just save it and just press F5. It will already executed. Why? Because the messages is already stored within that particular file is concerned. So in that case we just go to our particular folder, just go to this E drive and ML folder and just see the log underscore ex, just click on there, just see whatever the messages we are given within the program, just show here what are the message we give. So these are the messages, just see these are the messages are we are given into there. As a info we are given into that program started is given, warning is given, low battery is given, error is given, critical is given, but debug is not given. Why? Because already told the info level priority is more, the severity of the logging level info is more than the debug, so debug is not given. So if we change something, so that means the file contain whatever the logged data, so date and time is given, the level name and the messages, what are the messages you are given within the source file. Now if we change this info to debug, suppose we change this level to debug, okay, and again save it, and we just close this txt file and again run, press F5. Yes, already executed. So just go to this particular folder, so ml folder, E drive ml folder, this is the log_ex. Yes, now just see what happened. Now it just given this debug message. When we set the logging level to info, so debug message is not shown or appear within the file, but now it's appear. Why? Because now I set logging level to debug. So now the debug message is also given, info is given, warning given, an error, and the critical. Why? Because this all the messages I just write within that code. So that's why they are given the all messages from there. Okay. First column name is your date and time of the log file, right? And then the level name, and then the messages, whatever we have given into there, right? I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple. Why we are using logging? Logging means writing important program informations like warning, error, so that later we can check what went wrong within our code, right? And also one thing, the real world examples for logging in Python is concerned, it is used in banking applications, e-commerce system, IoT and ML project, right? I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Techno India ArCoAn for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.